In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make clips go from this to this in only a few simple steps. These are going to be short videos that is going to help you go from knowing absolutely nothing at all to being a top tier video editor. I want anyone to be able to do this, so we're going to use a software called CAPCUT, which is absolutely free, so anyone can use it. Let's show you the basics. So the first thing you want to be doing is going onto the App Store or the Google Play Store, whichever you're using, and type in CAPCUT. As you can see here, I've already downloaded it. It's this one right here. Click download and I'll see you in the app. As you can see now, we are in the app. This is the main screen here. And the only thing you need to worry about right now is clicking new project. Once you've selected your clip, click it and click add, and it will set up a project file for you. It completely slipped my mind while I was editing this that I didn't even show you how to find the clips. So I'm going to make a separate video and it should be uploaded already up here. So go and watch that video and then come back to this one. Really sorry. As you can see here, we've got the file in now. It's around 3 minutes long, but we want to get it to the TikTok short form aspect ratio. Click the bottom and click aspect ratio and click 9:16. It will then go to the aspect ratio you need for short form. But before we get ahead of ourselves, I'll quickly show you through the basics of the app so you know what you're looking at. We go from the bottom, overlay, which when you click that, you can add other videos and other pictures into your project. You have effects, which has a range of effects from video to photos. The one effect I use quite a lot is blur. Here you have captions. This one is a controversial one at the moment as it used to be free. Now you have to use CAPCUT Pro to be able to use auto captions. There is two ways around this. We then have templates. I don't really use it this much, but it's mainly for when you see those templates on TikTok, which you can use and put into CAPCUT to put your own pictures in or anything like that. Aspect ratio, like I've just shown you, you can choose different aspect ratios, whether you want an Instagram photo, a YouTube video, and quite a few others, but we will mainly stay on 9:16. You have filters. This can be used for different colors. A lot of the time, I don't change it. Media, we don't really need to play with it, but it does show you that it will add AI prompts to create an image. We may use adjust quite a lot, and this is where you will be able to change the look of your video, whether you're changing the brightness or the contrast, the sharpness, and anything like that. This also fits in with the filters as well. And then stickers, I don't really use them that much. Once again, it's just stuff that you can add over the top of your video, whether they're moving or not. But for these videos, we won't be using it. And then background, we won't really be using that either. That is the basics of CAPCUT. They're all the things you really need to know. We don't really need to be using a lot of them. The main things we're going to be using is overlay, aspect ratio, and auto captions. I'm keeping this video very short, just to the basics and teaching you that. The next video is going to be how we're going to clip it all together. So please click this one out.